What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and today I'm going to put to the test 8 kitchen gadgets. Let's see what I got this time. For the first gadget I got here pistachio opener. It looks like a little tweezers right here. On one end it's sharp and looks like a tiny spoon. This is probably mostly for those pistachios that is really hard to open. So you push it in and look at that, it cracks open so good. I don't have long nails, so this is probably will be the easiest way to crack open pistachios. Wow, unbelievable. Whoa, that one shoot out. Okay, you gotta be careful. So you put the pistachio down and then crush it. And wow, that's awesome. So no more wasting pistachios, the ones that is hard to open. I know a lot of people just throw them away a lot of times, but look at that. Okay, this is a really small opening. Just put it in and crack it. Did it open it? Yep. So once you crack it open, it's easy to open it up all the way. There's another one. Look at that. It falls off so easily. I love this tool. I never seen this gadget before and I wish I had it a long time ago. I'm just gonna put it next to the pistachios. There is another one, really hard to open, so you just press it like this, boom, cracks open so easily, look at that. For the next gadget I got here, very unique apple slicer. Let's see how this one works. Looks like a little push button right here, so I got an apple, put it in the middle. I like that it's a glass, so that way you can see through it, boom. And now you see the apple got stuck. But all you have to do is just push it back, and guess what? You have a perfect apple to go. Now all you have to do is put a rubber band on it and use it as a life hack. It's not going to go bad because it's sealed up. Remember that life hack? You put a rubber band on, this one a bit too big, so that way the apple stays together, and whenever you're ready to eat it at lunchtime, you open it and then you eat it piece by piece. How cool is that? This is probably the coolest apple slicer I've seen. And you know me, I have seen a lot of apple slicers. So you push it down, it holds like that, then you push it back and the apple will come off. You have to pull it out a little bit and the whole apple stays together. Amazing. You can even put it on a plate so that way it looks like a flower. So cool. Let's try this again. Push it back. See, it will fall out good. And again, let me open it. Look how cool that is. Wow, what an impressive slicer. I didn't think it's actually going to work that well. For the next gadget, this is probably the best tea maker or brewer, whatever you want to call it. So let's open it up. I'm gonna start boiling water and show you how this teapot works. While I'm boiling the water, I can add some tea. Loose tea is the best, everybody knows that. So I'm gonna make a couple of cups, so I'm gonna put a little bit of extra of tea. Okay, I'm gonna put boiling water in all the way to the top. So you let your teapot sit over here. Make sure that the tea going to cook up in there really good. Now all you have to do is just grab your pot and hold it like that, and then it's gonna fill up your tea from the bottom. Boom, and you have full glass of tea. Can you believe it? This is so cool. And this is why you have this tray, because it will drip a little bit. So this is a drip tray. Let me show it to you one more time. You just grab it, push it, and you see the tea is pouring like magic. So cool. So guys, once again, this is the best teapot I ever seen. You just leave it out there. When it fills up to the top, you lift it up. Boom, done. Love it. And if you have big mug, it will fit exactly the same amount that it holds in here. That way you don't even have to worry about spilling it. But if you have a see-through mug, that works too. Thumbs up for me for this gadget. Love this teapot maker. For the next kitchen gadget, I have here another pistachio opener. Let's see how it works. There is a pistachio that is hard to open right here. All you have to do is just squish it and you see it came out easily. Oh yeah, there is a good example. You see nothing on this side and a really tiny opening on this side. You just put it in and it should open it. No, not so much. Oh, like that maybe. And it should open. Boom. Wow, that was actually easy. There's another pistachio right here. Looks how to open it. Just press it right here and it will fall apart. Okay, let's try this again. A really small opening. Just put it in and crack it. There you go. In my opinion, this gadget is a little bit better. Just boom, pop it open, easy. So if I have to choose which one do I like better, I would go with that one for sure. For the next gadget, I got here gummy bear candy vacuum seal storage. If you don't want your candy or gummy bears to go stale, you put them in here and then you seal it up somehow. I guess it's not a vacuum sealed, it's just a regular seal. But what's the coolest part about this thing, all you have to do is just pull this up, get a candy or two out or three. You see, comes out one at this time, two at the time, and that way you can close it back up easily and seal it. So let's start to dispense a couple of them again. Pull it up, two candies, close it. Want some more? Simply just pull it up, take the candy out, close it. I really love that. And to seal it, all you have to do is just push it sideways like that all the way. Very cool gadget. I really like that candy dispenser. Never seen anything like that. For the next gadget, I got here a knife and fork scrubber. Let's see what it's all about. Also, they're saying you can use it for the bigger pans too. So you got this scrubber, it opens all the way, but I like it the most for the knives. So that way I don't have to worry about cutting the sponge. And obviously run water to it. Boom. Same thing for the spoons and for the forks. Really nice gadget. I like it a lot. For the next couple gadgets, this is more like for kids. Mostly actually bathroom, not so much kitchen, but I always thought they were pretty cool, so let's put it to the test. A while back I showed you how to make this out of the water bottle. Now they have a gadget for it. Really interesting. This thing looks like a little veil. You stick it into the sink like this, so whenever I turn the water on, you see the water still running. You can use it right here, but then whenever you close it, you can have drinking fountain right here. You can turn it up a little bit. You see what I'm saying? This is pretty cool. For brushing their teeth and stuff like that, I wish it would be closed and stayed like that, because look how much water is closer to the edge. But also, whenever you run the water, it's so far from the edge. I don't know why the sink usually is so big, but the water almost to the edge over here. Kids most of the time cannot reach. So that way you can get a gadget like this, and all you have to do is just put it over. Boom. Looks super cool. Then you turn it on, and now the water, instead of being at the edge over here, it's dropping way closer, so that way kids can actually reach the water. I really like this gadget a lot. I'm keeping it for my kids one day. Or even better, I might replace all the sinks into this kind of stuff. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below which gadget was your favorite. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.